I'm coming, go ahead.
You sure you're gonna make it down through here without holding on to me?
Yeah. We're out at the Blue Ridge for a walk. We didn't bring the van today, but we're traveling with a group of kids, so I'm trying to keep them off the videos here, so the videos might not be full range view of everything, but it's a nice little trail.
Y'all gonna think that if you run up on a snake. Just saying. Think it'd be cool. Because everybody is. Daddy's here. But stay close. Just turning off.
It's a little bit of a walk down.
Hold on, girl.
There's a little creek.
Before you try walking by yourself.
And that's the trail. You have to kind of climb up the mountain to go back up. So there's a little waterfall and some water down here. And a little walkway trail here.
You get back here. Maybe no.
You guys can go.
Okay. What are you doing?
Eating a mushroom. You want one? You want one? I'll give you one. Yeah.
So it takes us to this gate where it's fenced in and you have to squeeze through the area. But there's a walking trail on a bench. And then when you get up the hill, there's this. So it looks like you're going off trail, but it's not. And it takes you up through this trail. Again, you're in an empty field and it smells like a cow's been here. And the trail kind of trails off, but there's like a little stone here with an arrow on it again, so I guess we follow it and we see where the trail takes us. The trail goes back to end at the fence where it has like this little walkway, but like it's barbed wire, but then it has a little walkway to get you through and back through the field here. But yeah, we walked all that. And it takes you to an all downhill trail that goes up through there. it's all downhill.